Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to divide numbers in Excel in a simple and straightforward way. Let's not waste any more time and get started. To begin, it's important to understand there are more advanced ways to divide numbers in Excel. However, this tutorial will focus on the basic method. We will use this table as an example to show you how to work out anything we need step by step. As you can see, there are numbers written in column A and column B. We'll use a simple formula to divide the numbers and the result will appear in column C. First, click on the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Now find the equals key and press it. This works as a signal to Excel that you want to enter a formula into this cell. Then, we want to click the cell that contains the first number to be divided. In this case, it's cell A2. Once we've selected the cell, we can see how another part of the formula appeared after the equal sign, which is the cell reference A2. Next, we need to add the symbol for the mathematical operation we want to carry out. So we'll use a slash, which is used for division in Excel. After that, click on the cell which contains the divisor, which is B2. So what we've just done is that we've told Excel to divide the number in cell A2 by the number in cell B2. Hit the enter key and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to add, subtract and even multiply in Excel. Here's a helpful trick for you. If you need to divide the numbers in row 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is in cell C2. Hover over the bottom right hand corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Then use the left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And there you have it. You have divided the numbers in rows 3 and 4. You can watch separate tutorials that describes how to do these calculations in more detail. If you found this video helpful, like us and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Learn more from these tutorials that help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.